guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about dressing up your front door. So it's springtime, and so the best time to spring into spring is with a spring wreath. I love wreaths. I change mine out for every holiday, anything that I love, any season, any excuse to change my wreath, I'm changing my wreath. I made my wreath, so I particularly love it because it's different and it's unique. But you can get these at Hobby Lobby, you can get them at Michael's, you can get them at Ross, anywhere where they sell any kind of seasonal stuff, they have them. You can also make your own. Hobby Lobby has all the materials to do it there, and it just dresses up your door, and I absolutely love it, and it's super simple. And like I said, you can change these out for every season or every holiday, whatever it is you prefer. So stay tuned for falling into fall with my fall wreath. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.